Hello students, you know that in an human female there are two ovaries, one on either side of the uterus. Here each ovary is a compact structure differentiated into a central part, that is medulla, and the outer part, that is called as a cortex. So the outer part is a cortex and inner part, that is central part, that is called as a medulla. Here outer cortex, that one is more compact and granular as compared to the medulla. In that medulla there is presence of a loose connective tissue, blood vessels, lymph vessels and nerve fibers. That cortex region shows large number of tiny masses of cells called as the ovarian follicles. So here the cortex region that shows what is that? Large number of tiny masses of cells, and that one is called as a ovarian follicles. These are collectively formed from the immature ova originating from cells of the dorsal endoderm of the yolk sac. These cells migrate to the gonadal ridge during embryonic development and divide mitotically. Now these cells are called as the oogonia. So here oogonias are formed. The process of oogenesis, that means formation of ovum, starts much before the birth of the female baby, and by the end of 12th week the ovary is fully formed. So what happened? The process of oogenesis starts much before the birth of the female baby, and by the end of 12 weeks of the ovary is fully formed. It has more than 2 million primordial follicles. So here how many follicles? More than 2 million primordial follicles in it. The development of primordial follicles into mature or Graafian follicles restarts with the onset of puberty. So puberty, attaining sexual maturity, त्याला आपण वयात येणं असं म्हणतो. So at that time what happened? The development of primordial follicle into mature, or one can say Graafian follicle, that starts. During each menstrual cycle, only one of the primordial follicles starts growing to form the Graafian follicle. So during each menstrual cycle म्हणजे त्याला आपण मासिक पाळी म्हणतो. तर त्या मासिक पाळीच्या वेळी एक प्रायमॉर्डियल फॉलिकल जो आहे त्याचं काय तयार होते? ग्रॅफियन फॉलिकल. सो ड्यूरिंग each menstrual cycle, only one of the primordial follicles starts growing to form the Graafian follicle. In each cycle, alternately, one of the two ovaries produces the Graafian follicle. In an human female, that ovaries are alternate ovulator. Alternate ovulator म्हणजे समजा डावी बाजूकडनं जर या मंथ मध्ये मेन्स्ट्रुअल सायकल मध्ये ओव्हा रिलीज झाला तर नेक्स्ट मेन्स्ट्रुअल सायकल मध्ये उजव्या ओव्हरीतनं ओव्हा रिलीज होतो. सो वन कॅन से इन ईच सायकल अल्टरनेटली वन ऑफ द टू ओव्हरीज produces the Graafian follicle. So here changes in an ovary are cyclic, occurring during each menstrual cycle, and it involves maturation of the primordial follicle into primary, secondary and Graafian follicles. Each primary follicle has multi-layered cuboidal follicular cells. The stroma cells add theca over the follicle. It now changes into the secondary follicle. So primary follicle that changes into the secondary follicle. There is a growth of the oocyte and the granulosa cells increase in number. They start producing the hormone estrogen. The secondary follicle grows into the Graafian follicle by addition of more follicular cells. So secondary follicle that changes into Graafian follicle. As this process of maturation of follicle takes place, they begin to move towards the surface of ovary. The Graafian follicle here presses against the thin wall of the ovary, giving it a blistered appearance. The egg is released from the Graafian follicle during the ovulation. One can say ovulation means a release of ova from the ovary. That is ovulation. And that one is taking place on the 14th day of menstrual cycle. And the remaining part of the follicle changes into a temporary endocrine gland called as the corpus luteum. If fertilization does not take place, the corpus luteum degenerates into a white scar called corpus albicans. So see here, primary follicle that develops into secondary follicle into a Graafian follicle, that is mature Graafian follicle. That mature Graafian follicle that get ruptured at the time of ovulation. So ova comes out through that Graafian follicle, and the empty structure, that one is corpus luteum that act as an endocrine gland. And if the fertilization does not take place, then what happened? That corpus luteum degenerates into a white scar called corpus albicans. Here, the first menstrual cycle, or that is menarche, begins normally at the age of 13 years, and menopause, that is stopping of the cycle, happens at the age 45 to 55 years. The period in between menarche and menopause is the reproductive age of the female and is approximately 32 years. In this time, the female will producing a maximum of about 416 eggs. That means 13 per year, and the reproductive age approximately, that is 32 years. So 32 years multiplied by 13 is equal to 416 eggs. So here in an ovary, cyclical changes, that one is taking place. Firstly, germinal epithelium. From that germinal epithelium, there is a formation of, what is that? Primary follicle, then secondary follicle, then here the Graafian follicle, that is mature Graafian follicle. During ovulation, ova is released, and the empty structure of that Graafian follicle from which that ova is released, that is corpus luteum. And if the fertilization is not taking place, at that time corpus luteum degenerates into a white scar called as the corpus albicans. So see here in that diagram that blood vessels are present in the inner part, that is called as the medulla, then primordial follicle, then primary follicle, secondary follicle, tertiary follicle, then next to that mature follicle, then oocyte is present inside that mature follicle, Then ovulation takes place. That mature follicle that get ruptured and ova is released outside. See here in that figure. Next to that empty structure that is called as a corpus luteum, and later on if fertilization is not occurred, then that corpus luteum that converts into the corpus albicans. So these are the some changes. One can say that is the histology, that is the structure present inside the ovary. Okay.